Well, Lara, here we are at Fox's Well, where we can get a lovely drink of cold water.
Refreshing.
Been looking forward to this all the walk, have you?
Same. We didn't bring any water with us either.
No, we didn't, did we? So let's have, it's just here in front of us. Let's have a look. Oh, I can't wait.
Neither.
Oh, underneath this metal thing here. And oh look, as I went down on the hillside I found a spring of water and refreshed myself, for I had eaten little and drunk little for several days. Descending after his vision at the summit, George Fox, the Quaker founder, stopped here to quench his thirst, as recorded in his journal. Oh look, there's a mug. Oh, he's got some flies in it. Oh no, look.
Empty bottle.
Oh, look at that. Should we, how do we get there? Here's a little carabiner. Just hold the lid there. It breaks my arm. Let's get deep into the well. And do you want to go first?
Oh no, you can go first. It's all right.
No, really. It's just like full of flies. What if we just like tip some flies out of it? I can't even get them all out. Right, flyless. Should I try it? Oh, he's got one left.
You can try it.
Two. Get out of there.
Ew.
Actually, that's really nice.
No way on God's earth.
No way on God's earth.
No.
That's quite good. Considering he's like, you know, Quaker and all that.
Dead flies in it.
Right, there we go then, Fox's Well. That was a good video, wasn't it?
I didn't think you were actually going to drink it.
You didn't think I was going to drink it?
No.
I'm a man of my word.
When you saw the flies, I thought, no way.
I wasn't, but underneath the flies, it's not so bad. Right, there we go then. Over and out.